Hi, my name is Matt Yurgelun, and I'm the 2020 president of the Collaborative Group of the Americas on Inherited Gastrointestinal Cancer, the CGA. I want to welcome all of you to join this year's annual meeting of the CGA, which will be held virtually on the weekend of November 14th and 15th. With this year's virtual meeting format, I wanted to take a minute or two to highlight some of the unique and exciting features of this year's meeting. First, and perhaps most importantly, with this year's virtual format, we've decided to make registration free this year for all CGA members. So if you haven't yet renewed your CGA membership, now's the time to do so and sign up for the meeting. We encourage you to download the meeting app in advance of this year's live portion to the meeting. Through the meeting app, you'll be able to access many of the pre-recorded features of this year's meeting. This includes 3 wonderful hot topic sessions being given by Dr. Rick Boland, Dr. Susan Peterson, and former CGA President Heather Hampel. This will also include access to the many virtual abstracts that the CGA membership has submitted for consideration in advance of this year's meeting. We also have 5 exciting general sessions planned, the lectures of which will be available through the app in advance of this year's live meeting. We'll have a general session on FAP, one focused on Lynch syndrome, one focused on colorectal cancer surveillance and risk assessment beyond defined hereditary syndromes, a general session on CDH1-associated hereditary diffuse gastric cancer, and a unique general session this year focused on rising stars in the field of inherited gastrointestinal cancer. Again, these lectures will be available pre-recorded through the app in advance of the meeting, and we do strongly encourage you to watch them in advance of the meeting. At the live portion of the meeting, we will have a panel session for each of these 5 general sessions in which the audience can submit questions to the panelists and to the speakers, and this will be moderated by CGA colleagues. Additionally, as part of the live session this year, we will have a unique panel discussion focused on the COVID-19 pandemic and how this has impacted care for patients with inherited gastrointestinal cancers. The live portion of this year's meeting will also feature 4 named lectureships, including the Lifetime Achievement Award lectureship presented by Dr. Carol Burke from the Cleveland Clinic, who is the 2020 awardee of the Lifetime Achievement Award presented by the CGA. Lastly, the highest scoring abstracts will be presented as live talks at this year's annual meeting as plenary abstract sessions. Please download the app now, watch these exciting lectures ahead of time, and join us for the live portion of the meeting on November 14th and 15th. Thanks so much.